Claude Code isn't just for solo developers. Today we're covering teams and enterprise, everything you need to roll out Claude Code across your entire organization. From admin settings to compliance, dev containers, and silent deployment. First up, organization setup. In your admin console, you can configure manage settings that apply to every developer. Set default models, enforce permission modes, control which tools are available. Policy settings let you lock down or open up features org-wide. One place, full control. Authentication matters at enterprise scale. Claude Code supports SEML and OIDC for single sign-on. Your team logs in with their existing corporate credentials, no separate accounts. The enterprise login flow integrates with your identity provider, so IT stays happy and developers stay productive. Data handling and compliance, the big one for enterprises. Claude Code is SOC 2 compliant, HIPAA eligible. And here's the key feature: zero data retention. Your code never gets stored on Anthropic's servers for training. Enterprise-grade data handling with full audit trails. Dev containers give you consistent environments across the team. Define your tools, extensions, and dependencies in a devcontainer.json file. Every developer gets the exact same setup. No more works on my machine. Claude Code runs identically in every container. Deployment at scale. Use MDM tools like Jamf or Kanji for Mac fleets. MSJX packages for Windows. Silent install flags means zero developer interruption. Configure network settings, proxy, firewall rules, certificate authorities, all through your standard deployment pipeline. Recap: organization setup with managed policies. SSO Authentication with SEML and OIDC SOC 2, HIPAA, and zero data retention. Dev containers for consistency. MDM and MSJX for silent deployment. Enterprise ready from day one. Subscribe for more from the AI Terminal.